Hey, nigga, fuck your mama. Hey, dumbass, 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 dumbass. Check came in, I got comments. Bitch wanna fuck, I need comments. Hey.
The best cereal ever. Oh, what about sugar? Sugar free. We're gonna vlog at the pool.
Hey y'all, so I just
Girl, you got spite on your shirt. Come on. You got spite on your shirt.
Yo, you're lying.
God, no way.
Auntie, you're lying.
Get off of me. It's on your shirt. Get off of me. It's on your shirt. It's on your shirt. Shayla, she got a spite on her shirt. Oh my God. No, stop, Cameron. Stop. I'm just playing. Ooh, green room was dusty. Bro, you got a spot on your shirt. You got a spot on your shirt. Oh, look! Something's right there. I don't know. Ah, you got a spot on your shirt. Something, look. Get off of me. Get off of me. You can't even move the bed. This boy is weak. Khalil, help him. He can't move the bed.
That's why your breath hurt. That's why your there's not.
Oh, you tricked us?
Look at Malia's shoes!
Oh, damn. Oh, my God. What the heck? Oh, my God. That's the Shayla. Oh my God! Let me get a close up on that. What the? He's messed up.
He said stop hitting me, give it. Granny said stop hitting me. You do that. Granny said stop hitting me. Move. Come near me and I'll hit you.
He's going down to Granny's room.
Get What's up, Cam Squad? It's your boy Cam. We back with another MukBang.
It's your boy Vic, you feel me? So y'all, we got more chicken coming, but right now that's what we got. We doing a chicken,
Hey,
corn.
bro, take that off real quick. Alright.
So look, show them the plate. We got the chicken, corn, biscuits, mashed potatoes. So yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
So
We got more chicken on the
Let
way.
me get my chicken.
All right, go ahead, get one.
This.
Mm-hmm.
This. And this.
Oh yeah.
And this.
How y'all like the new intro? I know y'all like it. Mm-hmm. Yo, mama.
She's coming with the new
We got more chicken.
chicken.
Ooh wee. Toss it in there.
Dump it in there.
Look at these biscuits though. These ain't them Popeyes biscuits all rough. We got them homemade, buttery.
Butter.
Wait, let's say our grace. That's good. That's great. Amen. Hey. All right, go ahead.
Amen. Amen. It's the boy Smoothie. No, I'm not Smoothie though. Y'all thought.
Let's Sauce Kid Cam right here. Oh yeah. We made a fan page.
Amen.
Cameron, y'all go follow his fan page. Sauce Kid with 2Ds .cam.
Follow my Instagram page.
SauceKid.cam 1D.
And guess
These
how
mashed
much?
potatoes is
And
good.
guess how much subscribers I have?
How much you got, bro?
100.
For real? Now you got more than 100. You got 3K.
Ooh, great.
3K.
I want to make it to 100
Ranch?
million.
We're gonna get there. Hot sauce, ketchup, barbecue sauce, Sarah. Oh, guess what we forgot?
What?
The waffles.
What?
I'll get them. Oh,
Don't
mama
worry.
got them.
Auntie-
Mama got them.
Mama got them.
No, mama cooked this food. Alright, let's try this chicken. Oh, you already. Boy, I didn't even see you. It's hot though.
Where they at though?
What they at though? What they on with it though? Ooh, hot.
What's y'all gonna do?
Hot. Y'all,
Come here.
look at all your chicken, bro. It's hot.
Now you have pumpkin?
What you do today, Cameron?
I was at my mom's house. This dude keeps saying, go up to your mom's house before I sock you up.
Yep.
And I'm gonna cut you up. Yeah, don't play with me.
Y'all think you can beat me up?
And y'all, Wayne and Burnell, well, we was at the movies, Victor didn't go. We saw Little, it was so fun.
Okay, I went to the movies on Friday. Saturday with Wayne and Burnell and Morgan and Sheila.
They hear noise in the back.
Yeah. If y'all hear noise in the back, it's an icy machine. Slushies, you know, we got a homemade slushie machine. Not homemade, but you know.
He had, guess what he had at the movie, y'all? He had a hot and spicy.
Yep. Bomb. That's one thing. My favorite thing from McDonald's is hot and spices. And a medium fry and a drink. Get that right.
And a Big Mac.
Nah, triple cheeseburger. Them triple cheeseburgers, $3. Bomb. Yo, mom. Gotta get that barbecue sauce. These biscuits are soft. It's ripping apart. These biscuits is bomb.
You got the mozzarella. No! Big fella.
You the big fella.
You big fella. The big fella. B O
I
I
G
G
F
F
E
E
L
L
L
L
A.
L.
Big fella.
Big fella.
Big fella.
Big fella.
Yes, sir.
Who eats Sarah birthday chicken bomb?
That's bomb. Chicken and waffles.
Get your chicken and waffles, head ass.
Oh yeah, y'all. We're taking a big vacation trip.
Wait, we forgot the picture.
Oh, thumbnail?
Yeah,
Let's do
come
one.
down.
Grab some chicken. What? Alright. Stop happening.
I will pop.
Period. Ooh. Y'all, time for some chicken and waffles.
Put it in there. Put it.
As a matter of fact, I'm gonna just grab one.
Hey, what are you doing? You think you slick?
Cause I want some syrup. That's why I think I'm slick.
I'm better than Super Science book.
Yeah, you better than Super Saiyan.
Babe, when me and Shelton, when we was having the one, I had 200 kills.
For real?
Yeah, for real.
You won? Cause it's just simple.
He had 3 kills.
3? Now he be talking about he can beat me.
Better.
He can't. As a matter of fact, watch this clip. Roll the clip.
Yeah, like,
That
if you
clip was
shoot
next
some,
time.
like if you shoot somebody, you gotta clip it. You press the, you get the red thing, and you just press A.
Flip it.
Clip. Clippers. Hypers.
Every time I do something tight, Cameron be like, clip it. Clip it.
Clip it. Clip it, Victor.
Clip it.
Clip it.
Clip it.
Ooh, we got some more waffles.
Yeehaw.
Don't put that little piece on.
Welcome to CC Kitchen. That's the name of it.
Yup. My mama's kitchen called CC Kitchen. Wait,
CC.com.
I thought you go by Nunu.
Hey,
Bruh.
follow CC.
At.
No, I
okay.
got it. Follow CC YouTube.
It's under construction.
Under construction.
CC under construction. We was at the pool. I'm better at him and dive.
Nah, bro. I go crazy when I dive.
You do front flips.
Back flips, side flips, bunny hop, dives.
I didn't know you do front flips. I'm sorry. I didn't know.
I do all that.
What the
Oh
frick?
my God. Oh my Lord. Look, chicken falling everywhere. So good.
We got some chicken bones.
Better get your girls bum
No.
bum.
Connected to my bones.
What?
Remember?
Oh, he was like, your eyeballs connected to your leg bones connected to your shoulder bones. Stop tapping.
I'm really popping.
This chicken bomb. These waffles bomb.
Thumbnail again.
Another one?
Yeah, because we got the waffles. Good. Put it up here, Victor. Put it on top. See, look.
Mashed potatoes? Let's see how this tastes, y'all. Pretty good.
It's good.
Yeah.
Let's see half this.
Man, the best dinner ever.
Look.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Mashed potatoes and waffles and syrup.
You know you didn't cook that?
Nice. Nunu/CC did that. Can I get a period in the comment section? Period.
Period. Then how you do it? Period.
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 Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Yes, ma'am. Ooh. Salsa. Salsa.
Ooh.
Can you scratch your mama pics? No, they itch for real.
Go. What? Go like this. There you go.
We tried to play. She ran mama. We tried to play.
Ooh wee.
You got a straw for me?
Mango. I was real hungry, y'all.
The slushies look bomb. Let me show y'all these slushies.
Mango.
Hey.
I ate all my food, y'all. Look,
What the?
I always eat all my food, bro.
So that means you gotta get some more.
What you